Yeah, the best place to play the riff is on the piano. I think you need to look at your notation and listen to your backing track as to when it comes in. But it's going to go D, A, 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 D, D, A, 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 E, D, A, 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 D, D, A, 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 E. So 2 patterns, D, A, 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 D, and the second one is D, A, 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 E. So fingers 1, 5 and 1, and then 1, 5 and 2. So it'll be like, only the young, only the young, only the young, only the young. Like that. Hard to sing along with at the same time. If you've been playing the chords on the piano but you want to go and play the riff, you can't often play all of them at the same time. If you're feeling up for it, you can learn the chords with your left hand. But what I would actually say is just play the bass notes.